Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to check the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is falling. I will show you how to short these levels to earn some money, shorting the market, which is more difficult than longing. I will show you in the chart exactly the levels that I am shorting, and if you have been in my Twitter account, you know that I posted a tweet when I started to short the market. And I will compare this with my previous analysis of Bitcoin and why I told that even if we get this level, we were not bullish, because this is the 200 moving average on the daily candle, and that market that if we didn't went above that, we are still not bullish. So if you want to know what to do with Bitcoin right now on the crypto market in general, and if you want to short the market, please watch this video until the end. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Well guys, this is my analysis of the 28th of March. I don't do all the time videos about the TA of Bitcoin because sometimes it's just sideways and there are not much things to do or even to say. But last time I mentioned that we just touched the resistance on 200 daily moving average, and we are not bullish until we hit support about it. And that was here, around this area. We were at $48,000. We were in a bullish trend here, but this doesn't mean that we are already up to date into complete bullish mode. We need to have support about this line, and we failed doing that. Even if we break this PBBR resistance area, we couldn't get some close candles above that. So that is why this was a rejection, and right now we are in a very downtrend. And yesterday you can see the candle that is already happening here. We really break down the level of the $42,000, and we went all the way down $3,000 to 39. Right now we are at 39,700. And if I put the Bitcoin price in 4-hour candle, you can see that I put a tweet about this chart. I will be shorting the market around $40,700. And why is that? It's because we have all these support areas here, resistance here, support here. So this $40,700, it was very important to me. And also because it's below this BPBR support area. So the PBBR marked a lot of volume during that period at that price action. So usually it will be resistance and support levels and this peak. So if we went below this peak, so the most natural thing is to go to the next peak, which right now is at $38,000. And in the middle you can see there are not much trading volume. And if you see the chart, you can see that when we break this, we go directly down. We don't hang out too much here. The same happened here. We go up here without trading volume. The same here, from here directly to here, and vice versa. The only way that we have some trading volume is here at the $38,000. But you have here like $2,000, almost $1,500. Without much volume. So that is the area that I wanted to get in my short position. So if you saw my Twitter at that moment, it was actually above that level. We were at $40,759, and I started my trade almost at that moment when I posted the tweet. If you are not following me in Crypto C State, I recommend you to do if you want to make some money, because you will be starting to do that trade with me. And right now we are almost $1,000 on winning that short position. So I already moved my stop loss. So right now I cannot lose money. If we go again to 40,700, I will be closing that position automatically a little below that level. So I earn a little, but I am not closing that position right now. So please follow me at Crypto C State if you want to be always up to date with my latest things. Because I only do one video per day, but in Twitter I put many information about different things and my trades are there also sometimes. So for me in this trade was important to enter below that level. So that is why I didn't enter at 41. I waited a little to break this support area. So I entered that short position, which was already $1,000 in profit. Right now the price action is going up, but I am not worried. Like I say, I already put my stop loss. And the next level to see for me is 38, 400, 100. So right now you can see that we also have support and resistance areas at these levels. And when we break this, we also go directly down. All these ways were down. So I am expecting that if we go below $38,000, we could revisit the 33K and 32, 31 and $30,000, going all the way here. Like we went here on July 2021. When we break this, it was like the abyss for this. We have some recover here, you can see, but we were rejected again. So right now, these are my trades. I am waiting to see what happened with the market. I am already safe on my first short, and if I will keep it open because I think we are really bearish right now. But if we go around the 38, 100, below the BPBR here, which is at 38, 900, below this, I think we are going to lose the support like we have here. So I am waiting to lose this support, because if not, it could be like this when we have some price action at this level and then we went up. So these are my two levels to short the market right now in a short frame. If you want to make money while you're holding your crypto, then I recommend you to use an automation platform. This is bitscap.com, where you can trade with bots automatically while you're holding your crypto. I did 2 videos 2 months ago on how to configure Bitscap and how to configure everything for your bots. So in that video, I explained in almost 30 minutes how to configure each thing of the platform. And with this video, you will be able to start trading with the bot 24 hours. Even if you are sleeping, you will be making money with this. And this works really good also in the downtrend. So right now it's a very good opportunity to use this platform. If you go and register with my affiliate link, you help the channel, but you also get 2 weeks free of this platform with a premium account. The premium account costs $150, so you will have it free for 2 weeks, so you can test it and see how it works. But even if we lose this support area, we are still not completely bearish, at least since January of this year, because here we have a bottom, then we have a high here, then we have a higher low, and we can consider this our higher high. So we need to be above this level. So I really think that we don't need to lose this level. But if we go down until here, $38,000, and we come back from there, creating a new high here, maybe at 52, I think this will be a reverse trend. So that will be good for us in terms of the price action, because we were having higher highs and higher lows. So we don't need to lose this support area in order to keep the bullishness. If we break the $38,000, then I think we are going to come back some low levels again, even if it's a week. And we don't want that. We want that this was a bottom at $33,000, and we want to continue this uptrend. This is a bullish scenario. In terms of indicators in the daily candle, you can see that the alligator already turned bearish. So we went bullish until the $47,000, $48,000, but this dump already moved the indicator into a bearish perspective in the daily candle. We also broke the 50 and the 100 moving average in the daily candles, so we are really low right now. All the bullishness that we have the last times here are already turning bearish. So we are losing already those support areas. This candle is going to close below that. So now the $41,000 will act as resistance. We could say that we have a fake out here on the Gaussian channel, because turned green with this bullishness until the 48. But right now with this dump, we really could see this turning red if we go below this. Again, this is the $38,300. Below $38,000, we are, I think, really bearish, and I will put, like I said before, short positions on those levels. And the TD sequential already printing a 7 here. In the last analysis, I mentioned the 9 green that we have with all this resetting of the TD sequential. So we were expecting some red candles, some red numbers from that. We were really overextended on the bullishness on the TD sequential. So I think still we can go to 8 and 9 in a bearish trend. So expect those levels maybe to hold support on the $38,000 and from there recover. Maybe we could have some price action around that area like we have here. And from there recover, that will be the bullish scenario also. And in this chart, also Bitcoin against USD, this is daily candles. It's very messy, I understand it, but it's very messy. But I only want to show this rectangle that has been here, support and resistance, for over 1.5 years already. So this has never been moved from here. And in a time that we went below this, it was really bad for the price action of Bitcoin. So that is the same level below $39,000. So let's see what's happened there. But right now we are a critical border, the bottom of this rectangle right now. So this should act as support in order to resume some bullishness and maybe after that break this resistance on the 200 moving average. But right now we are at very important level to hold support. If we break it, then I will expect more downside. The only bullish news yet that I see on these indicators is a stochastic RSI that is already very down on momentum. Even we could continue going down in price action and this indicator could continue be below 20. We are really low here. So this is the only indicator that maybe could say us that we are really overextended on this bearish momentum. This was very big momentum down on one day. But besides that, the RSI is really going bearish and it can continue from that way a lot of time. The same happened with the MACD is bearish, the money flow index is bearish. So the daily time frame is really bearish right now. We lost all the bullishness that we have when we get the $48,000. So right now longing is super risky for me. I have my open position on my short, but I am not planning to enter long positions. Well guys, those are the two levels to short Bitcoin right now for my perspective. I mentioned this in the Twitter, so again, Crypto C State. You can join me in Twitter and you will get all my real information live there. So that will be all for this. These are the short levels for me to sell Bitcoin and follow the price action of Bitcoin. That will be all. I see you tomorrow with a new video. But before, please remember to like, subscribe and click the bell to get the notification. Bye.